Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to a new online class, and today the new lesson that I am going to teach you all is lesson 4, our school. The school is a very important place in our lives. The school is a temple of learning. The school is a place where you put your first step in, The very first place that you step in is your school, right? What do you want to become? What do you want to wish to be when you grow up? Some of you may want to be a lawyer, some an engineer, some may want to be a doctor. But when is it possible? Only it is possible when you go to school daily. If I ask you children to describe about your school, what answer can you give me? Yes, our school building is very big, right? The school building is very big. There are many classrooms in the school, and each classroom has a camera fixed in it. What else you can see in what else you can say about our school? Where is it situated? No, the name of our school first. Yes, the name of our school is Hebron Primary School. And where is it situated? It is situated behind Maninagar railway station, right? It has a library, right? So multimedia classroom, you all have last year you all have been to a multimedia room. You all love watching videos which is related to your lessons, and you get so excited watching those videos, right? And then you have the computer lab, you go for your practicals. You have seen your computer lab, so many computers are there in the lab, okay? Then apart from all this, you learn so many, there are activities, festival related activities which are conducted in our school, like we have drawing, you learn coloring, you learn singing, and last but not the least, dancing. Yes, when teacher is busy with your lesson, then there is a announcement for dancing class, and you all get so excited to go for dancing class, right? So there is dancing also is taught. So there are so many activities which goes on in our school. This I gave you a brief introduction about our school. Now let's come, who all help us in our school? The people who help us in our school. The very first name that clicks you is your teacher. Yes, the teacher helps you in doing your lessons. She teaches so many new things, different informations are given to you by your teacher. They teach you good habits, right? And in olden days, the teacher was called a guru. People used to call their teacher guru, and the student was known as shishya, okay? But now we address our teacher as teachers. Then different teacher comes to teach you all different subjects, right? Then even in the PT period, you all go for playing games. So the teacher plays a very important role in your life. Then who else can you see? Who is the one who helps in managing the whole school? Yes, it's the principal. The principal sees and manages the whole school. Mr. Ajay Joseph is our principal. And children, you know who is our headmistress? Yes, it is the headmistress of our school is Mrs. Parisima Thakur. She sees into the management of the school. Then children, you all know that our school has a library, right? Right now you are in second standard, but when you come to higher standard, you will visit the library. The library is filled with books. There are so many books in the library, and who takes care of the library? Can anyone tell me who takes care of the library? Yes, it's the librarian who takes care of the library. She looks after the books, the librarian looks after the books and helps us find the books. So, whenever you go to a library, you see that you maintain perfect silence. And you see to it, you have to be careful that you don't damage the books in the library. Then we have the peon. When you are studying, children, when you are in the classroom studying, suddenly the bell rings. Who does it for us? It is the peon who rings the bell for us. He tells us that the period has ended by ringing the bell. He also helps the principal in small jobs. You must have seen them. They carry books for teachers and keep it in the staff room, right? Our school also has a staff room where teachers sit and do their work. Then they help in bringing the notice to the teachers. Then we have Aya Didi. Now in the class there is water spilled, water is dropped in the class. Who comes and cleans it? It is the Aya Didi who comes, and she also cleans the classroom. She keeps the classroom neat and clean, and also the toilets. She helps you go to the toilet or washrooms and sees that the surroundings are kept neat and clean. Then you might have observed the gatekeeper standing near our gate, right? What does he do? He guards the school. He sees to it. He checks and keeps a record of the people who are coming and visiting the school. So, children, you all have observed what all is there in our school. We have also a place where drinking water is there. During the recess time, you all go to drink water, right? So, that place is also kept neat and clean. It is maintained neatly. So, children, now in this lesson I have told you what all. I have given you the introduction on school. I have told you which are the people who help us in the school. And now we come, what all points should be kept in mind to keep our school neat and clean. You should not put dirt here and there. It should be put in the dustbin. Dustbins are kept in the classrooms, right? So, the dirt has to be put in the dustbin. Even when you sharpen your pencils, it is not to be put under the bench, but it is to be put in the dustbin. We should not harm the plants that are growing. We should not scribble on the wall or on the benches. We should not damage our school property. We should not spoil our library books. You should not spit here and there, and you should see that your surroundings are kept neat and clean. Now, how so carefully you at home you are so careful with the things that are at home. Same way the school is also our second home. I hope, children, you have understood the concept of the lesson. So, children, you should take care of your school properties, be careful and respect and obey your teachers. So, I end my session over here, and till then we meet next time with a new lesson. Thank you.